So my name is Naeem Zafar. I'm the president of Open Silicon Valley. I also am the faculty of the business school at University of California, Berkeley. And I am also an entrepreneur, and I run a software company called Britzer Mobile. An open forum is the largest conference in America for Pakistani professionals and entrepreneurs. And this is the 8th year of us doing it. We do it on the first Saturday of June. And people come from various parts of America, as well as some people from Pakistan attend. And typically we have drawn around 500 to 600 people every year for the last many years. I've been involved with Open for the last 8 years since it started here. I'm a charter member. I was been president for the last 2 years and general secretary for 2 years before that. Our main focus is to serving the diaspora, the Pakistanis and people who care about Pakistan living in the U.S., to provide them a forum to network with each other, as well as learn about what's hot, what's happening, and encourage them and give them knowledge and skills to start businesses and for professional development in their own career. So we really have two focus. 60% of our focus is on entrepreneurship, starting businesses, scaling businesses, and about 40% of our focus is on professional development for people to get skills and advance in large companies and become senior managers and leaders. That's what Open tries to do. Well, you see, Open Silicon Valley started in 2001, and we were just entering a dot-com bust, and things were pretty bad. Actually, we refer to that period as the nuclear winter in Silicon Valley. And then there was a recovery for a few years, and then things got bad again. So this is the second sort of rising, and there's a lot of optimism right now in Silicon Valley about what's possible and what's happening. Tons of new companies are starting. There are all kinds of new ideas flourishing. Business climate is worldwide very optimistic. And whenever there's a tectonic shifts in technology and in business processes, there's an opportunity for entrepreneurs. So there's several good things that are happening. I mean, just yesterday, we got the news that one of our charter members of Open, Arif Hilali, he was treasurer 4 years ago. He started this company with 6 people in 6 years ago. He was employee number 7, and they just sold the company for $400 million yesterday to Symantec. And this is a great honor for a fellow Pakistani. And we will see a lot more outcomes like that. Safan Shah, another charter member, he sold his company for $75 million a few months ago, and they do all the payment processing. So it's very exciting. A lot of Pakistanis are succeeding, and a lot of companies in Pakistan who are interacting and doing business with American companies who are prospering right now are also seeing an uptick in business. So it's a good time right now. I think what they need to do to gear up is to simply understand the trend and try to understand where are the growth areas. So, because I advise many Pakistani companies, I also participate in one of the founding member of the Business Acceleration Plan, BAP, which we conduct every year in Pakistan, in Karachi, when we mentor and encourage Pakistani companies to expand their horizon worldwide. So we have done that for the last 4 years, 5 years actually, maybe 6 years. So so let me give you an example, what trends are hot and what's not. So many companies come to me and they're trying to create a social network like Facebook style thing for Pakistanis or Muslims, those ideas are, so 5 years old, and those are not the ideas which are going to be relevant or interesting right now, because that's been done. So you have to look around the corner. You have to see what is coming next. And what's coming next here is a lot to do with mobility and mobile, tablets, cloud computing, some of the biofuels and energy, how education will be transformed, how video will play a role in education worldwide. So these are some of the trends which are brewing right now. And also analyzing data, collecting lots of data of internet. How do you make sense out of it? How do you extract knowledge from the data so you can make more intelligent decisions? These are some of the more exciting fields which are brewing. So people who are starting companies around these ideas are likely to benefit, and it doesn't matter if they're living in Lahore, Karachi, or Silicon Valley. They have access to same talent, same customers. So the playing field is very level, more level than ever before. So that's why I'm very optimistic about what's happening in worldwide, including Pakistan.